Glory and the state flag there blowing as well. It is 7:56. DeMarco Morgan here, and always good to be with you folks. Make sure to layer up this morning because it's going to be cold and windy, as you can see.
The winds are strong and cold in the San Fernando Valley this morning, and this isn't the only area where we've seen strong gusts. There have been reports of trees coming down in communities like Encino, also Culver City, and there is concern about the amount of blowing dust. The AQMD issuing a dust advisory telling people who are sensitive to stay indoors as much as possible today. Along the coast, there is also a concern about high surf. People who are being told that there are dangerous rip currents. If they do go in the water, they're being advised to stay near lifeguards. And the National Weather Service saying people with small boats need to be careful because there is an increased risk of capsizing.